So guys, before we leave, we need to I want you to tour first here in where we stay in San Antonio Residence, Malugay, Makati. I will tour you the place where we stay, and they have also pool over there, guys. So let's go. So guys, we're here at the pool. Pool is very nice. Look at that. Wow. 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 See it, guys. Very nice. You can see it here. It's not really much in here. Oh my god, the view, guys, is pretty nice. Look at this garden over here. It's infinity pool, guys. See? This tall building. So pretty nice pool. So guys, we're going to the condo. Look at that, nice. Okay. So so this is their kitchen area, guys. The Airbnb we book. Yes, you can cook. They have also like electric gas. I like, you know, you can cook. Hello. And they have also dishes over here that you can use if you wanted to. Ano? Hello. And table over here. They have TV, their bed, living room over there. Yes. And this is their closet over here. Closet. Yeah. Got plastic in here. It's me. This is the restroom over here, guys. Yeah. And they have also, you can use laundry, guys. Or they have washing machine automatic. So in this is have also view from outside. See? Sorry. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. Don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you.